We are here at Grove Street in downtown Jersey City. Today is Monday, June 16th. It's about 2:30 p.m. And I will show you Grove Street. The first restaurant that I showed you in this video, Taqueria, is probably one of the best places for tacos in this area. It's a pretty busy street, as you can see. A lot of different shops. Here's City Hall. We're just a few blocks away from Exchange Place. Very easy walk. The bike lanes here are pretty generous. And it's pretty safe too, because you have a lot of distance between the bike lane and the street. And then more city bikes. So now we're on the corner of Columbus and Grove, where it gets a lot busier, and you see the Grove Street Pat station right at this corner. So that was Grove Street. Now I'll show you guys Newark Ave. This whole area is part of downtown Jersey City. Here on the weekends it gets pretty busy. A lot of bars, a lot of restaurants. A comedy club. I've been there a few times. Most of the action was behind me that we just passed, but if we continue straight, we're going to be heading to basically the end of all the cool spots to see. Then we just get to apartment buildings. One thing you notice here, just by me walking around, is how many people doing DoorDash or Uber Eats with their bikes. You would sometimes just get a line of bikes just waiting for different calls. That's how some people make a living here. If we take this street, Newark Ave, up a couple more miles, it's a very Indian section. Newark Ave is a famous Indian street. It's actually called India Square, due to the heavy Indian influence. Someday I will take a walking tour of it. But it is such a cool neighborhood. It does feel like you're in India, and the food is fantastic. All the small restaurants that are that people don't really know. They're not touristy, just the Indian locals. I'll take a walk there sometime in the future, sometime soon. All right, guys, that concludes the walking tour of Grove Street and Newark Ave in downtown Jersey City. Thank you all for watching.